So this is you search for YouTube, then print record there, this record also there. So now you can go here. Okay, so now okay, so now we can read what's the user utility model, right? Yeah? Are we? We are doing one. Right now we discuss Excel. Yeah. Then you talk about your activity. Write one page program on 5 seconds. So you guys will discuss what kind of business problem you're going to solve. What's some video on YouTube? So we watch the video of the business. So then you get some idea of what kind of project you're going to do. And also read your textbook, right? To check the application. So now discuss how to solve this problem. Okay, thank you. What I talk about now, you must submit the proposal. Okay. Yeah. So this is the earlier stage. You know, you have given idea, then you just get them. Yeah, you do search it. Okay, so that's enough. Okay. Now there's a lot of things to cover. Now you know your team, right? Yeah. And you need to discuss. Okay. Guys, I'm done. So because I need to give you a lot of demo today, so you have no time to talk, spend too much time. Now I know your team, right? The team is finalized. You need to work together. By Sunday, you submit one-page proposal plus your team chart. Right? You need to elect who is your team leader. Right? Okay? So, that's a good idea. Yeah. Huh? One page proposal. Okay, I want you guys to come back to the training because we don't do much time. Okay, now you know your team. Go and talk about what you're going to do. Okay, so any idea? What's the idea to solve this CEO desk problem? Okay, you keep trying your Dataset, then database management. Yeah? Okay, that's a good idea. Okay, that's good. So what's your team idea to solve the CEO desk problem?
Like they should be using some software to organize so that way you don't need to.
Yeah, no more paper. Right. Some software.
Excel, SQL.
SQL, right? They're really easy to know it. Yeah. So what's you guys, do you guys have an idea to solve this the CEO desk problem? Yeah? So the data in there, you can sort the data. Okay. Okay. So what's the idea to solve your CEO desk problem? Upload it on the Excel file. But the file that is a lot, right? It's old data. Maybe lost the value. The more data is more valuable. Okay. Good. Now, I want to verify, right? I want you guys to complete my Tableau lecture because you will do assignment 3. Yeah? Now, you need a face to me right now. Yeah. So then you talk about team by yourself, you can go anywhere, right? Go to the bar, go to the restaurant, whatever. Yeah? You talk by yourself, yeah? Now you know your team, yeah? So let's talk about this. Let's talk about your assignment 3. Okay? You mean, your computer with Tableau, you can follow me. Okay? Otherwise you can take video, but this video will be on the channel. And have a medical channel, right? For those, you don't know what your business power is going to solve. What's that say, right? You should watch previous class team presentation here. Get some idea, right? For your team project, right? What's the video? You should know. What kind of problem that have to solve. Yeah? Okay. So most of you want to digitalize these papers, right? Yeah, sorted, like the secretary, right? Some of you have to get software, like management information system for database. It's SQL to inquiry. That's good step. Yeah? But nowadays, not enough. The data always coming. Big data. Okay? So here's my solution, which we relevant today. So this is related to business intelligence, BI. Okay? So you come and look for BI analysis, right? It's also you. Okay? Related to business intelligence. It's a kind of application software technology and process information, then support decision making. The decision can be you or can be your boss. Amazon delivery. Okay. Real time, that's true. Yeah, Amazon every day. Okay, BI, right? So BI analysis, yeah? What do you mean by BI? It's kind of software, application, and also can be hardware together, right? So now you go to you see your desk. You just show on tablet, iPad, right? Everything sales, everything graph, everything there. Yeah, visually put there. Yeah, real-time update. Even you put on the TV, yeah, put TV like that. Yeah, CEO, Mr. Lee, I put a nice TV there. Show about the information there, right? And replace your desk. Yeah? So, and then you want to convince your boss do something, right? Then you put some few pages, print out, support your idea, yeah? Okay? So, the key concept called BI dashboard. This concept comes from your car dashboard. Yeah? So what's typical information shown on your car dashboard? Do you have a car or driven the car?
Speed,
The speed, yeah?
Basically the light.
If you drive 150 or highway 1, the police will catch you, yeah?
The light meter.
Yeah? The fuel level, right? When you gas, oh my God, when you battery, what are the?
Light.
kilometers.
Yeah. The thermometer, right? You have baby at home, the baby there, right? The tires, yeah. So all this information is relevant when you drive, which called KPI, key performance indicator. Have you ever heard about KPI concept? Yeah. If you work for the company, your boss will measure your KPI. Yeah. So when you study work yourself, right? Your boss, give you a goal, give you an objective. How many sales you're going to achieve? How many customers you're going to bring, right? Yeah, regarding sales. If you're doing logistics, right? So you move A to B, yeah? So the mistake level you are making, yeah? The on-time delivery, that kind of measuring, right? So this is called KPI, which is about your performance metrics, yeah? So at the beginning of the year, your boss give you a goal. But at the end of the year, they will measure your goal, whether you have achieved. You said you are going to achieve $5 million sale, but you only achieved $2 million. Big gaps. You let lay off, you will be chopped. Yeah, some of the Silicon Valley, yeah? 10% bottom line, chop off, right? Because KPI. So KPI is a very sensitive word when you work, yeah? So we want to display the business information on one single screen called dashboard. Like the car dashboard, your speed, your fuel level, your tire pressure, right? So that's would be ideal, right? BI dashboard about your business. So the typical dashboard, business dashboard, look like that. Yeah, very graphically display about your sales, KPI numbers. Yeah, about each product, about the sales trend. Yeah, yeah, and the most important is the real-time update. Yeah, your business right now, how much sales you achieve, what's profit you achieved, what's product category. Yeah, if you are big boss McDonald's, yeah, you want to see Canada, U.S., Mexico, China, what's McDonald's performance, right? On the map, yeah, real time. If anything wrong, you are paying attention to that. Yeah, why is that McDonald's lose money? Which product lose money? We will find out detail, right? Rather than borrowing paperwork, right? Never functional. So we will create a dashboard like that, which consists of the multiple visual chart like that, yeah? Then show on your TV screen or your computer, right? Or on your phone about your business KPI, key performance, okay? So that's many tools to do that nowadays. The simple one, when you have website, that's called Google Analysis tools. Anyone use Google Analysis? Yeah? Yeah? So you have web page, right? You will care who is visiting my web page. From which region, that can show you map, right? Which language they're spoken. And what time they visit. What device they access your platform. Which page they landed to there. Whether the volume stuff called conversion rate is Google Analytics. Yeah? Very powerful, it's free. Yeah? If you have a website, you should use it page to analyze all this information. Today, we will learn Tableau, one of the powerful BI tools, okay, visualization tools. And that also have Power BI, which is a kind of me too from Microsoft, right? Microsoft always kind of learning, easy or quiet, yeah? So, but Power BI only works on the Windows. Not like, that's why we use Tableau. They can work on the Windows, also Macs on the mobile phone, yeah, across platform. But these tools, if you, after this course, you know Tableau, you spend another 3 hours, you know Power BI. So that you can put these two tools together on your resume. I know both, Tableau and Power BI. Yeah, okay? So then more advanced, you have Python, yeah? And which is kind of need some programming skills, right? As I mentioned before, right? And for this course, it's optional to use Python to do your project, yeah? And Python have a lot of data visualization tools. So let's focus on the Tableau, yeah? At least master this tools, then you will claim your Power BI. Yeah, okay? So what do you mean by Tableau? So there's a lot of video there, you can always watch it, okay? The basic introduction of a Tableau. So idea of Tableau, we learned table, right? Last week, when we learned SQL, the database, break down small relationship database in a table, right? Then you have a, you have customer, you have a product, you have order, right? Yeah. So same thing. Tableau is manipulated data. Okay. They use Tableau. So what's Tableau? And three things you should note about Tableau. Yeah. Because it's DV, data visualization tools, right? So everybody knows this word, right? The idea from why do we DV? Because one picture was than 1,000 words. New language, you have similar topic about that. One picture was 1,000 words. Yeah, not sure. Yeah. I think every culture will talk about it. Yeah. The picture is very powerful. Right? The video is even more powerful. Right? That's why I use the picture. Yeah, even the little baby knows nothing about this word, right? But the picture, this is mom, this daddy. Yeah, the picture. That's why picture is very important. Yeah, and so that's why rather than talk about too much, we use a picture, right? That's why we use data visualization tool. Yeah, the data too much can be, language, can be graphic, can be voice, can be gesture, right? There's too much information. Use picture. Use the video. Yeah. So you need to connect the data. That's step one. Which data we visualize? Which data, right? Connect. The second one, you create a visual. Visualize the data. Yeah. There's many tools on Tableau. Then we create a dashboard. Right? Remember dashboard? Yeah. Dashboard is at least two visuals together. You create a dashboard, like put in your car. Okay. So like ABC. Connect the data, visualize the data, then you create dashboard. Okay? That is our job. And also for your assignment 3. So this is a connect, step 1. Okay? A, on your Tableau. Anybody open the Tableau? Yeah, when you open up Tableau, look at that. Anybody? Are you in Tableau? You are in Tableau? Similar like this? Yeah? Okay, good, you prove. So this is Tableau, the main starting window. You have to connect. What do you connect? Connect data. The data can be in your PC. But nowadays, a big data, your PC cannot connect it. You can connect the server remotely somewhere. The library data there, remotely. Yeah? And we do a sample one. There's a sample data called sample Superstore dataset. If you have Tableau, right? Can you see that dataset there? So that's why you download the version of Tableau. Or if you have difficulty, you can use the trial version 2 weeks trial. Yeah? I recommend you should have that student version 1 year for free. That was $1,000 license. Yeah, why not? Yeah, and just in case, you can still use trial version for 2 weeks. They always come with this sample dataset, Superstore dataset. We will use this one to do demo today. You will do assignment 3 today after my lecture. Then this is the main working area you did before. Okay. Then put there. Okay. So the main is you connect your data. Step 1. And always take a look. What's your data? We are doing business analysis on your data. Data is a good of the new economy, right? Like your sand, right? You take a look at the good sand. Yeah, then you get good from sand, right? Always take a look at raw data. So when you take the Superstore dataset, that's 3 tables. Okay. One is the people, which is customer, return. We mainly focus the order. Okay? Without the order, we no sales. Right? Okay? So you boss always ask, what's the order? Yeah? So let me take a look at what's the order information, right? The order. What the column? What is the row? Always think about column and row, right? So this is a colon auto ID. See that? Always take a look at few example, right? For example, the first example, this is the auto ID. Must be unique to this table because I'm given one person of same order, different item. Auto date is date, yeah. Shipping date, how they're shipped by second class, customer name, is consumer, right? So the Superstore, which is that try to keep confidential, but I suspect it's called the store called Tableau. Ever know Tableau? The store? Stable. Stable.
Just make sure it's
Yeah.
It's grocery.
T-A-P-L-E, right? Yeah, so this store, I suspect, okay? Have anybody visited this store? Raise your hand.
Yeah.
So what's that selling?
stationary product like
Yeah, the stationery, stable, the notebook, yeah? They also sell computer equipment, yeah? You can buy PC there. They also sell furniture, the desk, right? Okay? So this Dataset from this store, yeah? And they provide to you as an example, yeah? So you can see, right? So you can see what's the order, right? You get more information. You can scroll down, you can scroll to the left about the raw data. Always take a look at raw data, right? Like you getting gold from sand, right? Always take a look at the gold sand, right? Yeah, that's you will work on that. You dig out the gold from the sand, yeah? This is raw data. Always get some idea what's fair. Then talk about visual, right? So there's over 20 visual already built with Tableau. For example, one of the powerful one is a map. Anybody use Google Map? Yeah? How many of you? Almost everybody, right? Before you come, check how long to get there, right? Yeah? The map is very powerful. Particularly this global company, right? I want to say, what's store location? What's, my Stabler located everywhere, right? So I want to see which store. They are put in your business in each of the map, right? And like a box wizard, right? We talk about, detect outlier, okay? And this is a very popular one, called line chart, yeah? About trend, about my business sales, about stock price, right? It's also called time series, the business performance, sales, profit over the time, give you idea, yeah? If you GPA in the good trend, yeah? You're a good student, yeah? Yeah? If your GPA downturn, if you apply for PhD student, right? Make sure your GPA is upturn. Okay, now because after you've done this small other chart, map, the box wizard, the line chart, you put them together. What's that called? Dashboard. That's your purpose. Become dashboard. Then you put on TV or in your computer or in your laptop, right? And computerized, automated your computer, you see your desk problem, okay? So there's many versions of Tableau. We mainly focus on desktop. Make sure you download the desktop because after you download the desktop, you get a Superstore dataset on your computer, right? And you, assignment 3 require you publish final result on the Tableau public, which is Tableau Cloud. It's free for you, yeah? And
What is it?
it's a free space in a Tableau server. You will store your visual there. If I found you guys have similar visual, right? It's my right to access this account to take a look who is copy who.
No password?
Well, you need password, you need them, right? Yeah, if you two guys identical visual, right? Even you both are fail. Yeah, I need to find out. Evidence fail you. Yeah, I need to go to this Tableau public as step 8. Okay? They also have a Tableau server, Tableau reader, right? We focus on the desktop and the server. They have a different package. So how can I study? Right? I'll give you a quick tutorial. I'll give you a demo later. Okay? Probably 10 minutes demo is enough. Okay, so this is when you start Tableau, okay? So they give you 3 main working sheets. One is working sheet 1, you click there. Okay, you want to see this 3 plus. The second one is dashboard, you want to create a dashboard. The third one is story, yeah? So you basically, you are business analysis, right? You find the information and make a recommendation to your CEO, yeah? Which is story, right? So you visualize the data set, and you found, say your CEO is a general manager for US South or US West, yeah? So you found some of the states lose money, but not every product lose money. Some product lose money. For example, the chair, yeah, the desk lose money, yeah, and you need to do something about it, yeah. You either fire that CEO, or stop sales that location, move to the neighborhood. You couldn't sell anymore. You lose money for this chair. Why you sell that? Yeah, or a mistake. Yeah, the price is wrong. Then cost the sales profit problem, right? So the main window, when you open up the data, connect the data, right? So this is a 5 parts. The top one, the beautiful the icon called Tableau icon. You click there, navigate around. Okay. A. B is connect panel. Which data you connect? Okay. C. This is sample, right? Superstore dataset. We will use this one, right? Then ask me that question, stupid question again, right? Which dataset? I told you, we will use the Superstore dataset for our assignment 3. Then this look like, what do you look like? This is your working area. Look like an Excel, right? Look like, yeah? To me, Tableau is advanced Excel, yeah? Now put more visual, the specialized visual. They can process in large database, yeah? If you use Excel, right, you cannot, process 1 million, row of the data. You will crush your computer in Excel. But this one, they can do it, okay? And on your E side, it's called Discovery Zoom, which all the visual there on your hand. Yeah, they give you, they have a intelligence, give you which visual is good for you graph. But you don't like it, right? You can try other visual. Yeah, they have a stack chart, bubble chart, line chart. Every graph is there. You select you like. Yeah, okay. So this is about window turn, navigation bar, status bar. You have to remember it. Yeah, it's kind of unless you teach somebody else. So 2 kind of data we care. One is a category data, which Tableau call dimension. It's a kind of category. Your name, your gender, right, and your home address. The second